Okay, the next roundabout, go around the roundabout, take the 4th exit to your right, please.
Exits.
And the next roundabout, I would like you to take the 3rd exit to your right, please, towards the test center. Good. Okay. Right, so we just done some roundabouts. Right, I'm going to ask you some critical questions to see you understand the risk involved, because you are an experienced driver, you're not a beginner, so you should understand it better though. Yeah. Now tell me, when we are signaling, so what do we do before signal?
Before signal, you look at your mirrors.
So let's say, to be precise, we want to turn left. Which mirrors you need to check before when you signal left?
Right, you look your inner mirror and then your left mirror.
Okay.
Signal left.
Good. And if you're going right, you check your
Inner mirror, right mirror, signal right.
Okay. Now, if I signal and then check my mirrors, is that okay?
Signal before checking mirror.
Yeah, so I check. So what I done, I signal and then checking my mirrors. Is that okay or not?
No, you need to check your mirrors first before signaling.
Why do we need to check our mirrors first? What is the reason for that?
To see whether there's a vehicle trying to overtake.
So
you
overtake from there,
overtake
obviously,
from there,
or undertake from there.
Undertake from here.
Okay. What type of vehicles can undertake or overtake you?
Cyclists mostly can use
Okay.
either ways.
And what about the motorcyclist?
Yes, motorcyclist. Yeah.
Now, if you don't check your mirrors and you signal and the cyclist is just close by, what would happen to the cyclist?
You will likely lose control,
Yeah.
lose balance.
Now, obviously, if you check your mirrors and the cyclist is coming really fast, or motorcyclist, what would you do then? Would you slow down, let him go first and then signal? Or would you signal anyway but don't move your position? What do you think?
Right, if the signal was on, I would just maintain my position and let him go.
But just because you have checked your mirrors early, is that benefit you that you knew there's a cyclist coming, so you're not going to turn or you're going to slow down a little bit, isn't it? Yeah?
Yeah, or slow down.
But if you're not going to check your mirrors and signal without it, how would you know there's a hazard there?
Yeah, you will know. You won't.
Now, when we did the roundabout, when I asked you to take the 4th exit, you checked very good. You checked your mirrors, you signaled to the right, which is good. You went, so we were on the 3rd exit. We have to signal left because it's a major roundabout. So you signal left correctly. Your timing was perfect. What you're doing, you're signaling and then you're checking your mirrors.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think we should be doing? We're checking?
Checking before signaling. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And same thing here. In this 2nd roundabout, we took the 3rd exit. So you did nice as you're doing it. Once you start turning, so kind of doing it together. So as you coming in, then you're doing it. No, check your mirrors and then signal. It's very important. Examiners need that reassurance that you have checked your mirrors first. It's very important. It's not saying signal or mirror. It's mirrors, signal, position, and then so quickly mirrors, signal. Obviously what you don't want then signal. No, quick mirrors